Welcome to ACC Adult Education, How to Apply to Classes. In this video, I will be showing you step-by-step how to successfully apply to adult ed programs at ACC. Please make sure you have the following items before you begin to apply online. You will need an active email address, a government-issued ID with date of birth, can be from any country, a snapshot of your government-issued ID on your computer or phone ready to upload to your application, your social security number. If you do not have a social security number, please contact the Adult Education Office for an alternate number. You will then go to austincc.edu/adult. Once you're at the ACC Adult Education site, click on the program you would like to apply to. For example, if you're applying to our GED classes or HSE program, click on High School Equivalency. In this example, it is closed, but when it's open, you can scroll down to the application information, which will be down here. And there will be a blue button that reads Apply Now that looks like this. Once you click on Apply Now, you'll be taken to a purple page that looks like this. If it is your first time as an ACC applicant, please click First Time User. If you have applied to a program before, please log in with your email that you used for that application and the password you created. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Your Password. If you have any trouble getting into your account, then please contact the Adult Ed Office. If you are a first-time user, again, you'll click on the First-Time User button, and it will ask you for your contact information. You will fill in the information fields, and please make sure your email is spelled correctly. You will need an active email address that you can check in order to continue with the application at this point. Also, make sure that your date of birth is typed in correctly with slashes and your phone number with dashes. Then click Submit. Once you click Submit, you will receive the message below. Thank you for your interest in Austin Community College. You have successfully created an account. Please check your email for your username and password. If you don't see the email, check your spam folder. You may now log in to the application portal and complete your application. When you receive your email, you will click on the link provided and it will ask you to set your password. Please note that your username is your email address. Your password will need to contain 8 characters and have at least 1 number and 1 letter. You will need to write it twice and then click Change Password. Then once you're signed into your account, you will be asked which program you would like to apply to. Please make sure you click on Adult Education. Once you click Adult Education, it will ask you which adult ed program you would like to apply to. For example, if you want to take GED classes, you'll want to click on High School Equivalency. Then once you click on the program you're interested in, there will be 3 pages of application questions. You will fill in the contact information and answer some additional questions. Again, if you do not have a social security number, please contact the Adult Education Office and we will provide you with an alternate number. The 3rd page is the privacy and permission page. This is optional and is for sharing your academic and registration information with others. Once you click Submit, a box will appear instructing you to upload your ID. You will need to click the Upload Files button. Find the ID that you've already downloaded onto your computer. Click on Done. Once your ID is uploaded, so here it'll show that it's been received. So you successfully uploaded your ID. Please also note that if you are under 19 years of age, you will be required to upload additional underage paperwork. This can be found on the Adult Education website. You can also contact the Adult Education office if you need help. Once the requested documents are uploaded, you will see a request for orientation. Again, once you click Submit, a box appeared instructing you to upload your government-issued photo ID with date of birth. And we just walked through the process of uploading the requested information, which I had already downloaded onto my computer. If you do not have a copy of your ID already on your computer, you can do this in one of two ways. If you are on your phone, you can take a picture of your ID with your phone's camera app and then email it to yourself, or plug your phone into the computer with a USB connection. After you uploaded your photo ID, it will show that it's been received, and then you will be prompted to schedule orientation. You will click on the purple Sign Up Here button, and then a Google form will open and ask you for additional information. It will look like this and will be titled, Make an Appointment for Step 2 HSE Orientation in this example. You will then type in your information and answer a few additional questions. It will ask you if you want to take classes online or in person. Please note that your preference is not guaranteed for class registration. The class options for online and in person will be discussed with you at your orientation event. You will then click Next. Once you click Next, you'll see a list of dates and times for your orientation session. You will select the date and time that you are available for your remote orientation. Please note that the times are a window and you will need to be available for the entire time, but you will receive a specific time to join by email 2 days before the orientation. ESL usually takes about an hour to complete, and HSE takes between 1.5 to 3 hours to complete. Once you have selected your session time, you'll click Submit. Please continuously check your email. You will receive an email 2 days before your orientation session with a link to join. If you do not receive a link to join, then you must reach out to the Adult Education office before your session and we can help. It is very important that you save your orientation date and be prepared to attend. If you miss your session, it is unlikely you'll be able to attend the same term as spots are limited. Thank you for your interest in ACC Adult Education, and please call or email us if you have any additional questions or need further assistance.